Okay, today we will learn very interesting, very absorbing facts of honeybees. I hope everyone knows what is honeybees, right? So those who don't know honeybees, image has been shown there, right? Here, two images has been shown here. So these are some interesting pictures of honeybee. Why am I telling this is because this is very interesting. Or on the top of that, in competitive examination, right? Competitive examination, this sort of interesting questions are usually asked. That's why I'm telling you. Okay, so listen it carefully. Let's start from this left side. Okay, left side, what's been written there? Dies after stinging, right? Stinging. Honeybees dies after stinging. Have you ever experienced honeybee getting honeybee stung you? Some of you might have experienced, some of you might not be, right? For those who are not experienced, right? Okay, when a honeybee, right, honeybee sting you, they leave stinger, right? Stinger in your body. What is there in stinger? What is attached there in stinger is that honeybee leaves their stomach. Let's say for simplicity, for simple, I mean say for easy understanding. Let's say honeybee, when they sting you, they leave their stomach muscle. You know stomach, right? Stomach muscle nerve with their stinger. That's why they can never survive after stinging a person, right? So you imagine that your stomach is removed, your muscles, no muscles from your stomach has been removed, your back part is removed, and your nerve is removed. Will you able to survive? No, right? Exactly, this happens to honeybee. Whenever they sting a person, they leave their muscles, stomach, and nerves with the stinger. That's why they die. Why? Now you may ask, why do they leave? Why do they leave their stinger or muscle or their stomach in a person's body? This is very interesting. What did I ask? Why do honeybees leave their stomach, their nerve, their muscle in a person's body? Have you ever known it? Okay, I will tell you the answer. Because this is because honeybee stinger, right? Honeybee stinger, what's been written here? Bee's stinger is barbed, so difficult to pull out. Okay, this what does it mean? This honeybee stinger is barbed. It's barbed. You know that barbed, right? So it is like a thorn, you know. And have you ever plucked rose branch? You know the thorns, right? Thorns. It's like a lot of thorns is inserted in this honeybee's stinger, right? So this stinger is barbed. So it is because of that, when honeybee sting you, they cannot pull back the stinger to their body, right? So it tries. Eventually it's all stomach part, no? Stomach muscles and the nerve are pull out and leave in a person's body, right? Have you understood? Okay, I hope so, right? This is the first very interesting feature. Now second feature is that stinger continues in venomation. What does it mean? On the right side, you look at the right side. Stinger continues in venomation. What does it mean is that when stinger is honeybees, right? Stinger is left in your body, and your bees are gone, no more, right? They have flew away flew away. Only stinger is in your body, right? Some of you may be thinking, bees have gone. I mean, so bee has gone. So it will, no more venom will be injected in your body. No, it is not the fact. You are in wrong perception. Earlier I used to think also exactly like that. So stinger continues in venomation. How it happens? Bee has been has gone, but still stinger continues in venomation. How does it happen? You know that stinger, it's like a hypodermic needle, right? When you are sick, you get injection, right? So it is like that needle, right? So so this is like a tube, tube, rubber, rubber tube, right? So whenever you try to pull out that stinger, then venoms, right? Venoms which are present in stinger, that is again injected in your body, right? Venoms which are present in stinger are injected in your body when you try to pull out the stinger from your body, right? So that is what does it mean, stinger continues in venomation, right? Those who experience, they will know it. Those who haven't experienced, they may not be believing, but you have to believe. Even if honeybees have gone, but if their stinger is still in your body, that it will still continue in venomation. That means venom will be injected in your body. Then you may be asking, what are the venoms, right? What are the venoms which are injected in our body, right? What are the venoms which are injected in our body, right? They are, look at here, what's been written here, bottom right here, you have a look at here. Okay, histamine, dopamine, neurotoxin, and toxic peptide are the venoms which are injected in your body, right? Because of that, your body starts swelling, you will feel pain, right? So these are the chemicals or venoms which are injected in your body when honeybees sting. Okay, and let's have a look at beheaded, right? Beheaded snake continues in venomous until 1 hour. Earlier I made a video about this and I explained there. Okay, I would request you to go there and watch it. Okay, so exactly like this, bees stinger continues in venomous, and again snake, right? Earlier I used to think like snake, once a snake has been killed, they are dead. They cannot inject venom in our body. It is wrong, right? You are a wrong perception. Even if snake has been killed or its body and head has been separated, they will, because of reflex action, they will still in venomate you. They will inject your venom in your body. So of course, when snake venom is injected in your body, definitely if it's if you don't get treatment, of course you will die, right? So this is very interesting pictures, right? And only do you know, I think you know the hive, right? It is honeybee's house, like, right? Let's say for understanding, it's a honeybee's house, right? So in that hive, right, thousands of honeybees are there. I mean, say maybe 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60,000 honeybees are there. Only one queen is there. Very interesting, right? Only one queen is there. Okay, there's lots of interesting pictures of honeybees are there, but if I keep on telling that, it will be too long. Okay, if you really want, then you can ask me, I will make another. Okay, so formic acid, right? Formic acid is acid when acid which is injected in your body when honeybee sting you. Okay, this is open ask in exam, like they will also ask about ant. You know ant, right? What are the acid which is injected in your body when honeybee or ant sting you, like that, no? So this is formic acid, right? Okay, and here what's been written, world's largest bee. This is sort of maybe for general knowledge, right? world's largest bee. What is the name of world's largest bee, right? Mega Chile, some say Mega Kylie, some say Mega Chile, some say Mega Child. I don't know which is the correct answer, right? Pluto, right? Okay, and its another name is Wallace's giant bee, right? Wallace's giant bee, named after a person who discovered it, right? Okay, I hope you learn something from here today. Okay.